Hey guys, it's Adam with GSA Equipment. Today we're gonna talk to you about a solution for a issue that probably about half of our customers on the XC1100 are having. And so we kind of found a solution until Derette gets the replacement fuel caps. So the issue is these fuel caps are 50-50 whether you can get them on and off easily. A lot of our customers have to drill them out and rip them off, and they're not great. And so we've addressed this issue with Derette, and they're going to take care of it. In the meantime, we want to go to a cap that is not locking and makes it super easy. Most people don't need to lock their fuel tanks. The only problem we've ran into is the seal on this gas cap is a little bit deeper than the one on here. So what happens is you're not getting a tight seal and you're going to have a little bit of fuel leakage. So what we did was we took the seal off the factory cap and put a second seal on the one that we got on Amazon that doesn't lock, and then put it back down in here, and it's super nice and tight. So we've already done one, so let me show you what the done one looks like. So this one now has two seals, and it seals nice and tight on the gas tank. Gives you a nice tight, you can click to latch it, and then it's super easy to get on and off. So we will include the link on our YouTube channel. And if you've got this issue, I think these caps are maybe like 10 or 12 bucks on Amazon a piece. And I think you're gonna save yourself a lot of headaches. So this is our solution until Derette gets these caps, non-locking caps for our units, which should be happening hopefully in the next couple months. Check us out on YouTube, on Instagram, getmowers.com. Thanks for watching.